Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Konkani. Today we are going to learn numbers from 81 to 100 in Konkani. Before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my all the videos and learn Konkani with my channel more easily. Let's begin. Numbers means आंकड़े. 81 81 82 82 83 83 84 84 85 85 86 86 87 87 88 88 89 89 90 90 91 91 92 92 93 93 94 94 95 95 96 96 97 97 98 98 99 99 100 100. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the like button and keep following my channel Konkani.